Hi, glad to see you in good health. Cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable that offers numerous health benefits. Firstly, it is rich in vitamin C and K, which are essential for immune function and bone health, respectively. The antioxidants found in cabbage, such as beta-carotene, sulforaphane, and quercetin, help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. High in fiber, cabbage aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Its low-calorie content makes it an excellent addition to weight loss diets, providing essential nutrients without excess calories. Cabbage also contains compounds that may protect against certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer, by inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells. Furthermore, the vitamin C in cabbage enhances skin health by promoting collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. The potassium in cabbage helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, thereby reducing the risk of hypertension. Cabbage is also beneficial for heart health due to its high content of polyphenol and flavonoids, which reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving blood vessel function and reduce its anti-inflammatory properties can also help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Additionally, cabbage is a good source of folate, which is crucial for pregnant women as it supports fetal development and prevents neural tube defects. The high levels of vitamin K in cabbage contribute to healthy blood clotting and prevent excessive bleeding. Regular consumption of cabbage can boost the immune system thanks to its rich supply of antioxidants and phytonutrients. It also helps detoxify the body by promoting the elimination of toxins through the liver. Cabbage supports bone health not only through its vitamin K content, but also by providing calcium and magnesium. Lastly, the sulfur compounds in cabbage have antibacterial properties that help protect against infections and support overall health. Cabbage is a nutrient-dense vegetable packed with a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. It is particularly rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function, skin health, and wound healing. Cabbage also contains significant amounts of vitamin K, which is vital for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, it provides B vitamins, including folate, which is important for DNA synthesis and cell division, especially critical during pregnancy. Minerals found in cabbage include potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and calcium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Cabbage is also high in dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. The vegetable is low in calories but provides a good amount of protein and minimal fat, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Moreover, cabbage contains various antioxidants and phytonutrients, such as polyphenol and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Sulforaphane, a sulfur compound found in cabbage, has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Anthocyanins, especially prevalent in red cabbage, offer additional antioxidant benefits. Overall, the rich nutritional profile of cabbage makes it a valuable addition to a balanced diet, supporting overall health and wellness. Cabbage can be incorporated into a variety of healthy dishes, making it a versatile ingredient in nutritious meals. One popular option is cabbage soup, a low-calorie and nutrient-rich dish that is filling and easy to prepare. Another delicious choice is a cabbage stir-fry, where you can sauté cabbage with other vegetables and lean proteins such as chicken or tofu, seasoned with soy sauce and garlic for added flavor. For a refreshing and crunchy side dish, try a classic coleslaw made with shredded cabbage, carrots, and a light yogurt-based dressing. Cabbage rolls are another wholesome meal, typically stuffed with a mixture of lean ground meat, rice, and spices, then baked in a tomato sauce. For a simple and quick side dish, steamed cabbage seasoned with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper is both nutritious and delicious. You can also make a hearty cabbage and bean stew, combining cabbage with beans, tomatoes, and various herbs for a comforting and fiber-rich meal. For a probiotic boost, homemade sauerkraut is a fantastic option, where fermented cabbage provides beneficial bacteria for gut health. A cabbage salad with apples, nuts, and a vinaigrette dressing offers a delightful mix of flavors and textures, perfect for a light lunch. Another creative use of cabbage is in cabbage tacos, using cabbage leaves as a wrap filled with your choice of protein and fresh vegetables. Lastly, roasted cabbage wedges drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with your favorite herbs make for a savory and healthy side dish that is easy to prepare and enjoy. Cabbage comes in various types, each with unique characteristics and culinary uses. Green cabbage is the most common variety, recognized by its pale green leaves and dense, round head. It's versatile and can be used in salads, soups, stir-fries, and fermented dishes like sauerkraut. Red cabbage, known for its vibrant purple hue, has a slightly peppery taste and is often used in salads, slaws, and pickling due to its striking color and crunchy texture. Savoy cabbage features crinkly, deep green leaves with a mild, sweet flavor, making it perfect for salads, wraps, and light cooking. Napa cabbage, or Chinese cabbage, has a long, oblong shape with light green leaves and a mild, delicate taste. It's a staple in Asian cuisine, often used in kimchi, stir-fries, and soups. Bok choy, another type of Chinese cabbage, has dark green leaves and white stalks, providing a slightly bitter flavor that works well in stir-fries and soups. Cannonball cabbage, a dense and heavy variety similar to green cabbage but smaller and more compact, is excellent for making cabbage rolls and slaws. Additionally, there are specialty varieties like January King cabbage, which has a unique color blend of purple and green with a sweet, mild flavor, ideal for winter dishes. Pointed cabbage, or conehead cabbage, is tender and sweet, making it perfect for raw salads and light cooking. Drumhead cabbage, known for its large, flat head, is commonly used for making sauerkraut and other fermented foods. Each type of cabbage brings its distinct flavor, texture, and nutritional benefits, making them a versatile and valuable addition to various culinary traditions worldwide. Cabbage, Brassica oleracea, belongs to the Brassicaceae family, also known as the mustard family or cruciferous vegetables. This family encompasses a wide variety of vegetables that share certain genetic and botanical characteristics. The genus Brassica is particularly significant and includes numerous important food crops. Alongside cabbage, notable members of this genus are broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, collard greens, and kohlrabi. These vegetables are collectively known as cole crops. Genetically, these plants share a similar chromosome structure, which allows for the possibility of crossbreeding and hybridization. This genetic flexibility has been harnessed over centuries to cultivate diverse varieties with desirable traits such as improved flavor, increased resistance to pests, and enhanced nutritional content. For example, broccoli and cauliflower, both derived from the wild cabbage, have been selectively bred for their large flowering heads, while kale has been developed for its tender, edible leaves. The Brassicaceae family also includes other genera such as Raphanus, radishes, and Sinapis, mustard greens, further expanding the variety of edible plants within this group. These plants are known for their glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds that contribute to their distinct flavors and have been studied for their potential health benefits, including anti-cancer properties. The family's widespread agricultural and nutritional importance underscores its role in global cuisine and food security. The family's widespread agricultural and nutritional importance underscores its role in global cuisine and food security. The history of cabbage dates back thousands of years and spans multiple continents, reflecting its long-standing importance as a staple food. Cabbage is believed to have originated in Europe, with wild cabbage, Brassica oleracea, native to the Mediterranean region. Ancient Greeks and Romans cultivated cabbage as early as 600 BC, appreciating its medicinal properties and culinary versatility. The Romans spread cabbage throughout their empire, introducing it to other parts of Europe. By the Middle Ages, cabbage had become a common vegetable in European diets, valued for its hardiness and ability to be stored through winter months. During the Age of Exploration, European explorers and colonists carried cabbage seeds to the Americas, where it quickly became integrated into local agriculture. Cabbage also spread to Asia, where it was embraced and adapted into various regional cuisines. In China, for example, Napa cabbage and bok choy became integral to the diet, with Napa cabbage being a key ingredient in kimchi. Over time, selective breeding led to the development of the diverse varieties we see today, including green, red, Savoy, and Napa cabbages. Cabbage played a crucial role in maritime history as well, providing essential vitamin C to sailors and helping prevent scurvy on long voyages. In the modern era, cabbage remains a dietary staple around the world, celebrated for its nutritional value, versatility, and ease of cultivation. Its enduring popularity across different cultures and cuisines highlights cabbage's significant role in global food history.